I got a 10 kg Cnfans haul today. Just came in right after the Chinese New Year. I have no idea what's inside of this box because I shipped like 4 parcels out and one of them showed up, so I don't know which one it is. Anyways, I think this is my 10 kg one, so that was about $50 to ship, and I use my own coupons because that's why it's so cheap. So if you want to get the coupons I use to ship this, you can sign up with the link in my description. It'll be like Cnfans free links. But yeah, just if you want to save some money in your hauls, that's a really good idea to do. And honestly, my #1 tip. Without further ado, let me open this haul. Hold on though, can we talk about this new chain? Look at this, Cnfans chain, CNFANS. But look at that shine, yo. I'm really blinged out in the Cnfans chain. 100% fake diamonds, by the way. Haul is already open. This is one of my fastest opening times. Usually it takes me literally 10 minutes. You already know, gotta dump everything out. Holy, what is in here? I'm starting to remember now. I'm starting to remember. All right, so this is the collection of everything inside my haul. I'm just gonna grab one by one and show you. All right, so the haul is opened. You can't see it because it's on the floor. Hank gets a sneak peek of everything. He gets to sniff it out, make sure there's no drugs inside of it or any, you know, toxic chemicals, because if there is, then he will let me know, trust me. First up, I got this Balenciaga bag. The thing is with Balenciaga with me, I never know what size to get because Balenciaga is either really big or like, I don't even know their sizes, and it's a rep, so that means the sizes are gonna be all over the place. So for here, I don't know the name of this, I forgot, but it's a Balenciaga blue, kind of like gray blue zip up. It's got like the holes in it and stuff. So here's what it looks like. Got the Balenciaga thing right there. Got the Balenciaga logo there. You can see some distressing and some holes. That's good, that's good. That's, you know, it's a quality link. Material feels really good overall too. Like, look at that, it looks pretty good too. On each sleeve, it has the logo again. Here is the Balenciaga and Balenciaga tags. The inside is this dark blue, but let me put it on. So here it is on me. Minus the chain. But yeah, it actually fits me really well. I just literally guessed on the size, but it's the perfect size. I didn't know this until now, but there's a lot of distressing on the sleeves, and that is a pretty good sign. I know you might be like, why would you pay money for a hoodie that has holes in it already and the quality already looks horrible? Well, it's a Balenciaga. You just wouldn't understand, like, it's Balenciaga. It's cool to look homeless when you're wearing Balenciaga, okay? That's the only exception. But yeah, I did notice that when I tried zipping it up, it did get stuck a few times. I had to like yank it up, yank it up, yank it up. Not a big deal, but just what I noticed, and I'm giving you my honest review. So if you want to cop this, it was like 30 bucks. It's on repsheets.net. Search up Balenciaga zip up and you'll find it. Balenciaga zip up. There'll be a tons there though, because there's over 5,000 items in rep sheets. Over 5,000 items. So if you're looking for items, you know where to go. Anyways, next. I actually like this though. I mean, I don't really know what occasion I'd wear it to, because like I don't really leave the house, and like I don't really think I'd wear this to school. I got 4 travel pillows. I'm gonna save those for the end because you don't really care about them. So if you're a frequent viewer, then you know that I actually bought the same hoodie in the last haul. I just wanted to try a different link this time. So this is the Maison Margiela X Supreme Paris 1994 zip up. This is very popular right now in the black and gray colorway, which this is gray. So honestly, the other one I got, one of my favorite Cnfans purchases yet. I mean, the hoodie is so clean and it's so comfortable. So I decided to buy another just in case anything happened to that one. And that one, I've worn it like 20 times. I've washed it like 20 times, 10 times, whatever. But here is the inside stitching. I think this is from Tiger Reps, if you know who that is. There's the inside tag, Supreme, Maison Margiela. And then here's the Maison Margiela tag and Supreme. Pretty good. This does look less fitted, or this does look more fitted than the other one. The other one's more like baggy. So I'm gonna try it on. And before you say anything, yes, I'll be wearing this chain the rest of the video. If you have a problem with that, comment down below, because this is a Cnfans chain. This is the best thing I've ever held. This is a cause that I support, and Cnfans is pretty much my life. Anyways, I put this on. I did notice off the first bat that this hoodie is dirty. Why are these black dots all over? You got some threads all around it, which is not an issue at all to me because obviously you can pick them off or wash them. But this is exactly what I wanted. It fits me better than the other one. It's so comfy. I love this. Like, everyone that's watching this video needs to get them one, whether it's a black one, a gray one, or even the green one. These hoodies are like the in-between of hype beast to comfort to minimal, like literally the best purchase I've ever made. Anyways, this one was like 30 bucks as well. You can get it on repsheets.net. I'll have the link for it. Just search up Maison Margiela X Supreme or Supreme X Maison Margiela hoodie, zip up, whatever. You'll find it. Trust me, it's not that hard to find. Next up, I have this. I don't know what I have because it doesn't say in the bag. Let's see. Oh, I know what this is. So as you can tell, I've been on my zipper hoodie. What do you call it? My zipper hoodie arc. So this one is like a faded, washed, vintage look Stussy hoodie. Stussy zip up. Quality, you can already tell it's really good. Looks really good. Feels really good. Very satisfied with this. You got the YKK zipper, if you know what that is. The drawstrings, everything in this hoodie feels amazing. I think this hoodie was like 50 bucks, so I mean, you can't go wrong with a $50 hoodie. Stussy tag, Stussy more tag. And yeah, I mean, it's a pretty basic design. Just says Stussy. Let me try it on. All right, so here it is on person, on me. Fits really well. Next though, I need some pants. I need some pants in my collection. All I have are these gray sweatpants that I wear every day. Like, it's bad. I wear 2 pairs of pants in my rotation, and it's kind of embarrassing because like I have 30 different hoodies I wear, but 2 pairs of pants. Like, what? I need to pick me up some more pants. Like, it's bad. This hoodie is pretty good. It was like $40-$50. Stussy zip up if you want to find out at repsheets.net. I feel like this hoodie gives you a little bit of aura. You like got that nonchalant aura to it. I don't know why, it just does. Because you're wearing Stussy, but like it's like that nonchalant, like subtle logo. It's like that little design that you notice. And you're like, wow, that's nice. Anyways, let me stop yapping. Next item, which is a essentials. I know you're sick of essentials, and I know I am too, but you always need a nice hoodie that you can just wear around anywhere you go. You don't want to put on a fit, wear some essentials. Like, it's that simple. So I think this is my 6th black essentials hoodie. First one was good. Actually, first one was bad, second one was good. Third and fourth one were horrible. This one, it feels pretty good. It doesn't have a green tint like the last one. The last one literally had a green tint to it. Why am I so white? If you looked at it through lighting, it was green. But this one looks good though, I can't lie. Honestly, I don't feel like trying it on. I can tell it fits me. It feels really good. It actually does feel really good. What the? It feels so soft. Let me feel the inside. It better be soft. Oh my God. This is gonna be comfy. Yo, I might need a, can you tell I love essentials? Anyways, probably like 20 bucks. Find it at repsheets.net. Search up essentials hoodie. Next is another Balenciaga. I have another. How much Balenciaga am I getting? So I had a whole warehouse full of items, and I guess this haul I shipped with all like clothing items. My next haul though might be a little bit different, not just clothes in there, which is crazy. But I try to get some more pants, like I said, anymore. So I got some. These smell horrible. These smell like vinegar. Ew. But these are like some Balenciaga pants. I opted for, like not a big design. As I said, I needed better pants. I needed more pants. So let me try this on. Look away. Oh yeah, I got me a new pair of pants in my rotation. Here, let me back up. Here they are on the legs. Got the fashion MF thing. Yeah. Black pair of sweatpants, got that gray kind of logo. The deep pockets, I love that. Yeah, these are some pretty nonchalant, chill sweatpants. No big design. I don't like the big designs. Like this logo, I don't even know what it means. It looks like some like random Target logo, but it's Balenciaga and it costs like 20 bucks. So that's the difference. So I got 5 things left. Technically 2 items left. 4 of them are the same thing. I said I'd do the travel pillows at the end, so I'm doing this first. Whoa, they just flung all over the floor. Okay, so as I opened it, you saw they flung all in my hand. If you know what these are like perfume stealer or like fragrance stealer. They're made to like, you can travel with them on planes or like, to places. So that's why I got them, because I'm going to China soon. I'm going to Chengdu, China, in Chongqing. But I'm going to China soon, and it gotta smell good for the Chinese. So I bought like 5 of these. I probably only bring 1. I don't know why I bought 5, because they were like 10 cents each, so might as well. Something to throw on your haul for free, because they cost no extra to shipping. Yeah, that's like one of those things you get on Temu, but I got it on Cnfans. Oh, I got 4 travel pillows, 2 of each, so I'm just gonna be opening 1 of each. So like I said, I'm going to China, and I've only been to like 1 other state before in the United States, which is like a 1 hour or 2 hour plane ride. So I can't say I've ever needed like a travel pillow or nothing. And the plane to China is like 5 layovers, and like one of the flights is like 15 hours. So it's gonna be rough, but it's worth it. So I opened it. It came with some earplugs, came with a sleeping mask, and here's the pillow. It's actually very, very soft. Let me put it around the neck. Ooh, this comfy, this cozy. I can't lie, they do something about it smells. I probably wash this before I ever use it. Pair with the sleeping mask and the earplugs, like you're knocked out. You're not waking up that whole 14 hours. But I got one for me and my dad because my dad is coming with. But I decided, what if I didn't like that? So I decided to get a different pair. Ooh, what is this? It came like its own carrying case, unraveled. What is this? Yeah, no, this about to get me mad. What did I order? How are you supposed to wear this? Like this? Like what? I think it's like a little pillow you put on your neck. Are we serious? I don't know. I'm gonna put a picture on screen of how to wear this because I can't figure it out. Anyways, this is my brother's room and I made it a mess, so I better get to cleaning. So thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy, please drop a like and subscribe. Visit repsheets.net to fulfill all your rep needs. You know, over 5,000 items, the best quality items I could find, I put on there. So you're in safe hands when you're shopping for your rep desires. Make sure if you haven't already, get your free coupons. Just supports me, and yeah. Free, and you get a bunch of coupons, $129 worth of coupons, so might as well. I'd like to thank you all because I am getting the opportunity to go to China. At the end of February, I'll post another video specifically about it. I'll be doing vlogs. I'm gonna be touring the Cnfans warehouse, which is a big thing because few people have done it and they don't speak English. So I'll be the first English speaker to do it. But yeah, join the Discord, discord.gg/Cnfans. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.